Hi guys, Fluffy, and welcome back to techbeatph.com. And we're here at the Green Sun for the exclusive media launch of the Samsung A50. So it's going to be a new mid-tier phone coming from Samsung. So we're going to do a hands-on first look at the phone. So do stick around the video and see what we think of it and what's happening.
Launch of the Samsung Galaxy A50 and A30 is already the third launch that Samsung has done in the past couple of weeks. Both phones comes with a 6-inch Super AMOLED display. Both phones are powered by an octa-core processor, with the A50 having a higher clock speed. Here are some of the specs that the A30 and A50 share together. Now for the star of the show, the A30 features a dual camera setup while the A50 has 3 cameras at the back. The phone feels nice when you're holding it and is very responsive. We can't wait for a review unit to do real-world testing soon.
Good evening, welcome to Samsung A Live. My name is Sam with 2 M's and I'll be your host for tonight's festivities.
Well, my favorite feature on the phone is its live focus camera, so it really helps me take pictures and not worry about the lighting, right? Because it brings out the best quality of the color, the photo looks very vivid, the colors are very vivid, and I also like its wide angle camera because it allows me to travel, and it's very convenient because everything is seen in the background, and that makes me more inspired to take photos and focus on photography because I'm really getting into that right now. And I also got to work with a very, very talented band while I was shooting for the commercial for the brand new Samsung Galaxy A50. So I would like to acknowledge the presence of Ben and Ben. They're here today.